Part 5. Carcinogenesis and Etiology. Let's look at the causative factors of cancers. First one is chemical carcinogens. Directly acting chemical carcinogens don't need any modification, for example some chemo drugs, whereas indirectly acting or procarcinogens need metabolism in the liver via cytochrome P450 pathway. Aflatoxin B1 causes a specific mutation in P53, causing arginine to turn into serine, which causes hepatocellular carcinoma. Next one is radiation. UV rays form pyrimidine dimers. If the nucleotide excision repair system fails, you get xeroderma pigmentosum. Ionizing radiations like X-rays or atomic bomb. They cause papillary thyroid carcinoma and leukemia. Viral and microbial carcinogens. Following is the list of viruses that cause certain cancers and the mechanism through which they cause that cancer. HPV 16 and 18 cause cervical cancer and oropharyngeal cancer. E6 inhibits P53 and E7 inhibits RB gene. EBV virus. It causes Burkitt lymphoma. Translocation 814, that is translocation of M by C gene, takes place. HBV or HCV cause liver cancer. The mechanism is it causes cancer through chronic inflammation and regeneration. HTLV1 causes T-cell leukemia. The TEX protein activates the growth. Now let's discuss the environmental factors causing cancers. Dietary factors like high fat and low fiber diet cause colon cancer. Smoking causes lung, bladder and pancreatic cancers. Alcohol causes oropharyngeal, liver and breast cancers. Age and genetics. Most cancer occur in the 55 to 75 age bracket. Why is that so? Because mutations accumulate like dust on a shelf. Some are inherited cancer syndromes. RB gene inheritance causes retinoblastoma. APC gene causes familial adenomatous polyposis. 100% of these patients get colon cancer by age of 40 if the colon isn't removed.